How to set up cash payments in Odoo point of sale. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever had a customer all set to pay only to realize your system isn't properly configured to handle it? Yeah, that's awkward and it can cost you more than just a sale. So don't worry, we're going to fix that today. In Odoo's point of sale system, you have the flexibility to accept a range of payment options from physical cash to card transactions, digital wallets, or even by billing customer accounts. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open the application of point of sale and then you gotta head over to configuration over here and click on payment methods. Once you do so, you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So all you need to do is add a new payment method. If you have some already existing payment methods, you'll be able to see them over here. To add a new payment method, you gotta click on new here at the top left, and then you'll be redirected to an interface like this. So what you got to do is simply give it any name, or it's just for your own preference, you can give it a name of the method. You can give it any name you want, but I'm going to type in cash so that I can navigate better to this payment method. And then you got to select whether it's online payment. So you can use this payment method for online payments made on a web page with online payment providers. So you can check this. And if you have not activated any payment provider, so you got to click on payment provider over here. And over here, first of all, you got to type in the details of the payment provider. So if you don't want that, you can simply just uncheck that. And here we have is integration. You can let the integration be non-required, or you can also make it terminal. So this is basically for the card readers or QR code for mobile banking apps. Then we have is the customer selection, that is identify customer. So if you activate this, the POS user will need to assign a customer through the transaction every time. So this is super handy when you're letting buyers charge their purchase to an account and settle the balance later. For now, we can simply leave it off. And then we have is journal. So you can simply click on it. This is where we decide where our payments are recorded in the accounting side once a POS session is closed. So here's when things get a little interesting. So you can see there is a bank journal that is available, but you can see that there is no cash journal listed. Why is that? Well, cash journals and Odoo POS are restricted for sharing, meaning each POS terminal must use its own dedicated cash journal. That's why we can't pick one from a pre-existing list like we can for bank payments. So let's just create a new one. Click on search more, and here you can simply create a new journal and simply type in, for example, if you're going to type in cash, simply type in cash and you can select the type. So let us select the type such as cash, and then you can select the sequence prefix. So it is a shorter name used for display, and the journal entries of this journal will also be named using the prefix by default. So I'll let this be over here for easy navigation. You can give it any prefix you want. Once you're done with all, simply hit over, click on save, and now you can see that a new journal has been created. And then you're going to select the point of sale. So there is one final step, and we need to tell Odoo where this payment method can be used. So there's not really any point of sale already. To add one, you're going to click on create and you'll be taken over to here. So you're going to simply type in the shop name. For example, I'm going to type in something like pet shop, and you can see there's no chart of account configured on the company. Please go to invoices setting to install a chart of account. So you need to install a chart of your accounts before doing this. So here we have is login with employees. If you want to do that, you can simply configure the settings the way you want. Once done, click on OK and you're good to go. And you can also upload any picture over here. And also let's head over and select our integration. So let's select terminal. So here you can select numerous integrations. So let us activate this one. And then when you activate this one, you can use the benefits of it within Odoo. So you can simply see that here we have a setup. So you can simply set it up if you want to do it right now, or you can do it later as well. And now you can see that the payment method has successfully been added. So that is basically how you can add payment methods in Odoo. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.